Hi friends, I am Sirak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert area chart on your Google Sheet web on your PC or computer. And if you're new to this channel, please make sure to click on the subscribe button below, and we just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert an area chart in the Google Sheet on the web on your computer. So it's easy and simple. First of all, select the data. You just need to create a chart. Then click on the insert option and you will see an option called chart. Click this. So after clicking the chart, you will see option here. You just change this chart type column chart to area chart and just going to resize the chart and place it on the center. Now in the area chart, you will have to see there is a six type of charts. So you can just change from here also, like a stock row 100% each, and you can just choose a different type of chart. You can see it's totally different. So you can just select which chart you just needed, and if you just needed for this chart, you can just use this option and you can just change according to your wish. And if you just need to change the color of the chart, something like red, you just choose this and just change to something like black. You can just do it by just clicking on the color, and you can also double tap here to change the. You can see the automatically it shows the valuation, like just want to make it as bold, and you can just change the text color like that. And you have a customization option on the side by, so you can just choose and you can just change it. This is how you just insert an area chart on your Google Sheet on the web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.